I realize that a lot of my inspiration or my consciousness is attached to the geography of things. I mean, I really love Albuquerque and New Mexico. The temperature is great. The sky, you don't even look up to see the sky. There are new clouds every day that are so spectacular, you often have to stop and get out of your car just to look at them, because they're like a different painter painted them every day. That's why I love it here. It's because I am surrounded by art. And that's the landscape of this place and the clouds of this space and the people. I mean, there's so many artists in this state, and I do love that about this place and do feel a part of it too. I feel like I am woven in to the tapestry of Albuquerque. I'm Nancy Kozikowski. I'm 82 years old. That's shocking to even talk about. But I'm just pointing out I've been here for a long time. And I'm living in the same neighborhood I was born in. I'm an artist, and I started out, I was a painter, and I've done a lot of, I started out doing portraits because I could, and my mother was an artist too, and she did portraits, but she also was an architect and designed buildings, What I feel like has, as a result of this 70 years of searching, and it hasn't been trying to do something, is more like mining, and I want to see what the next design is going to be. I mean, it's curiosity is the reason, and I don't have a complete idea before I begin. But what I've discovered is that's like a mine, is that it reveals something to me.
What do you attempt to capture in your tapestries? Well, I think that from using the natural dyes and just from the natural lines of the weaving, we began to see the environment that's around us all the time. I mean, like the lines of the hills would show up in a beige line in the tapestry, and then we would work on it and bring it out and put a little light behind it, and all of a sudden it developed into a very representational tapestry that had just sort of come through us. Sometimes we would say we would do the landscape and then go out and find it. We'd always find it.
I met a woman at the bus stop on Laguna. I was going to school, and she was working at a trading post across the street and weaving. She had a loom set up in the window. So I said, "Could you teach me how to weave?" And she said, okay. And then her trader said, "You're not supposed to teach people to do that." So I was trying to think, well, why did weaving seduce me so completely? Because from doing the weavings and doing big pieces, I was just so involved with how much was revealed to me in the process of even building. I mean, it's crazy. Building looms, spinning, dyeing, the whole thing was just so fascinating. I'm kind of natural. In fact, I even figured this out when I was 13 and decided to be an artist. It was like, well, what am I supposed to do? And I realized that when I was inspired, that I had to do whatever I was inspired by. This is such, like I say, it is the crossroads. There is a balance here. I just appreciate it. And not that being a core of this old Albuquerque is anything special, although it is to me because it's mine. And I realized that it's nice to have this intimacy. I feel I know something about it. That may just seem indulgent, but it's mine, and I get it and I love it. And I mean, because it makes me feel at home.